In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete downloads from Dropbox. This process will help you manage your files efficiently, ensuring that your Dropbox stays organized and clutter-free. Let's dive right into the steps. After using the downloaded item, it can be deleted and its original file within Dropbox would not be affected. This means you can safely remove files from your local device without worrying about losing the original version stored in your Dropbox account. It is important to know that deleting the downloaded copy will not impact your cloud storage. This step is crucial for maintaining an organized workspace and freeing up space on your device. If you don't recall where the file is located, go back to the browser used and click on the download icon. This icon is usually found at the top right corner of your browser window. When you click this icon, a drop-down list will appear, showing all recently downloaded files. This is a helpful way to quickly locate files you may have downloaded but forgotten about. The downloaded item should be within the list. Click on the folder right beside the downloaded item. This action will open the File Explorer directly to the location where the downloaded file is stored. It saves time since you won't need to navigate through multiple folders manually. A clear understanding of where your files are located is essential for efficient file management. A File Explorer should be visible with the downloaded file highlighted. This confirmation shows you that you have successfully located the file you wish to delete. At this point, you should take a moment to double-check that you have selected the correct file, as this will ensure you do not accidentally delete something important. This attention to detail is key in keeping your files organized. Either click the trash icon at the top of the icon or right-click on the downloaded item, then click Delete. Using the trash icon is the quickest method, while right-clicking provides a menu with the delete option. Both methods effectively remove the downloaded file from your device. After completing this action, you may see a confirmation appear, letting you know that the file has been successfully deleted. This final step is crucial in keeping your downloads folder clean and manageable. By following these steps, you can systematically delete downloads from Dropbox, ensuring that your device remains uncluttered while keeping your original files safe in the cloud. This process not only helps in maintaining organization, but also optimizes storage on your local device. With this knowledge, you should feel confident in managing your downloaded files effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying your file management tasks.